as always, folks, as I figure these things out, I'm just a simple dad just like you. So I'm going through these kind of numbers together with you for the first time. So when we look at the four different elements of this, we have our car, our jet ski, and our hitch. Now, I know that the first thing we always want to look at is we want to look at the weight. How much does the jet ski weigh? Okay, our jet ski weighs about 1,200 pounds. Now, how much can the cars tow? I know that the Subaru can tow up to 1,500 pounds is what it's saying. Now, then we need to take a trailer. So we need a trailer hitch that actually could do that weight, so 1,500 pounds. Now this one goes up to 3,500 pounds. Perfect. Now you always want to go with the lower number of these if you're thinking about towing something. In this case, it's the Subaru. This is a class 3 hitch, so it's a little bit better than would be needed, but that's fine. It was only a few dollars more, quite honestly. And it can, and the Subaru is 1,500. We got 1,200 of this. Now, one thing we need to consider when you are looking at something like this is the tongue weight. Now, the tongue weight is the amount of weight that the ball itself is feeling when it's attached. So if you think about it, a tongue weight, it's the amount of pressure it's feeling when it's on the trailer. So when we look at the tongue weight of the jet ski, it's going to be about 1,200 pounds. We want that weight to be about 120 to 180 pounds worth of pressure. So when I was out there in the yard, I was kind of lifting it up and down. It felt perfect. That was about the same pressure. Now, too little tongue weight, if it's too little tongue weight, it can cause swerving. So you do want to feel that pressure. So make sure you have at least a little bit of pressure in there. Now here's the tongue weight of the actual hitch itself. It's 525 pounds worth of tongue weight. Perfect. Too much tongue weight, too much pressure on that hitch obviously could cause problems with the lower suspension as well. So just be aware of it. But that's about the proper amount of pressure that you do want to feel. We're all good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get started and get this hitched up.
If you guys have made it this far, you gotta subscribe. Come on. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that button, give me a like, throw some comments in there. I got a ton more stuff coming out. We're gonna do more stuff to the jet ski. We're gonna do more stuff to the Mustang. So follow me.